Hello students, now in today's video we will see the definition of types of sets. Types of sets. So first type is given there as equal sets. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are given and those two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly the same elements. दोनों सेट के एलिमेंट्स कैसे रहेंगे? Exactly the same element. For example, if set A contains the letter in the word eat and set B contains the letter in the words tea. If you observe the elements, then both the set A and B contain exactly the same element. Same element is there, and therefore such two sets are called equal sets and denoted by A is equal to B. ऐसा इसको डिनोट करेंगे. दो सेट्स को इक्वल कब बोलेंगे? अगर दोनों सेट्स के एलिमेंट्स एग्जैक्टली सेम रहेंगे. कैसे रहेंगे? एग्जैक्टली सेम रहेंगे. देन सच टू सेट्स आर कॉल्ड इक्वल सेट. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज गिवन. सो हियर फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज देयर on equal set. Decide which of the following sets are equal sets and which are not. Okay, justify your answer. So here set A is given. A is the set of element x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. So here we have to find the value for x because that x is an element of set A and we can find this value of x from this given equation. Given equation is 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. If you solve this, then you will get 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. And therefore 3x is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3, and therefore x is equal to 3 upon 3, that is equal to 1. 3 ones are get cancelled here and you will get x is equal to 1, and therefore set A contains only one element, that is 1. Okay, after that set B is the set of element x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number. X is a natural number, but x is neither prime nor composite. But x is neither prime nor composite. So here set B contains only one element. X is a natural number. But x is neither prime. x जो है वो प्राइम नंबर नहीं है और कॉम्पोजिट भी नहीं है. सो देयर इज ओनली वन नंबर, दैट इज 1 which is neither prime nor composite and 1 is a natural number. Now set C is the set of element x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 2. So there is only one element which is less than 2 and which is natural, and that is 1. If you observe the elements in set A, set B and set C, ये तीनों elements को अगर observe करेंगे set A, set B और set C के, then they contain exactly the one element, that is 1, and therefore A is equal to B is equal to C, and therefore A is equal to B is equal to C. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the example on equal sets. So the definition of equal set is two sets are said to be equal if they contain exactly the same element. दोनों सेट के एलिमेंट्स, तीनों सेट के एलिमेंट, जितने भी सेट्स गिवन रहेंगे उस सबके एलिमेंट्स कैसे रहना चाहिए? इक्वल रहना चाहिए. Such sets are called equal set. Okay. Now next definition is singleton set. A set is called singleton set if they contain only one element. If that set contain only one element, that is called singleton set. जो सेट के अंदर एक और सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट रहेगा. Okay, that set is called singleton set. For example, x A is equal to simply A, set B is equal to simply 100, set C is equal to it is Sunday. Okay, such sets are called singleton set. ऐसे सेट को हम क्या बोलेंगे? सिंगलटन सेट बोलेंगे, जिसके अंदर कितने एलिमेंट रहते? वन एंड ओनली one element, that is called singleton set. Now the next definition is it is empty set. It is empty set or null set. Empty set or null set. A set is called an empty set if that set does not contain any element. जो सेट के अंदर एक भी एलिमेंट नहीं रहता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए इज इक्वल टू, देयर इज नो एलिमेंट, ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एम्प्टी सेट, okay, or you can denote it by phi also. We read it as phi. Okay, so this is the definition of empty set or null set. That a set that does not contain any element, जो set के अंदर एक भी element नहीं रहता, okay, that set is called empty set or null set. Remember this. Note that this singleton zero is not an empty set. Is not an empty set, है ना. आप लोग क्या करेंगे, सेट में एलिमेंट नहीं है तो जीरो लिखो, वहाँ पर सेट के अंदर क्या लिखो, जीरो लिखो. सो दैट जीरो, if you write like this, then this is not a empty set because zero is an element of that set. जीरो जो क्या है वो एलिमेंट ऑफ दैट सेट, वो सेट का वो एलिमेंट रहेगा, ओके, एंड देयरफॉर दैट सेट इज नॉट एन एम्प्टी सेट. ठीक है, उसका यूज करके क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है. देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2, दैट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर एम्प्टी सेट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर एम्प्टी सेट्स एंड व्हाई. सो हियर A is the set of element A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these numbers are greater than 0, not smaller than 0. Therefore, there is no such natural number which is smaller than 0, and therefore A is an empty set. A जो है वो empty set. क्यों? क्योंकि natural numbers ये कैसे रहते हैं, greater than 0 के numbers रहते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4 ये सब numbers कैसे greater than 0, smaller than 0 एक भी number नहीं आएगा, and therefore set A is empty set. Okay, so we can write that reason as since all natural numbers are greater than 0, not smaller than 0, and therefore A is an empty set. Okay. Second, B is the set of element x such that x square is equal to 0. So here equation is given as x square is equal to 0. So we have to find a number whose square is 0. So here we can get 0 is equal to 0. If you take square of 0, then it is 0. Therefore this set B contains only one element, that is 0. Here set B contain one element, this 0, and therefore B is not an empty set. Okay. Now the third example is C is the set of element x. How we can find x? From this equation, 5x minus 2 is equal to 0, and that x is a natural number. So consider this equation, 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So you will get 5x is equal to plus 2, this minus 2 becomes plus 2, and therefore x is equal to 2 upon 5. But this 2 upon 5 is a rational number. It is a rational number, not a natural number, which does not belong to natural number, and therefore C is an empty set. क्योंकि अपने को ऐसा natural number नहीं मिल रहा, ऐसा natural number मिल रहा है अपने को from this equation we can't get. Okay, so that set C is an empty set since x belongs to n and x is not equal to, or x is equal to 2 upon 5, which does not belongs to n, and therefore set C is an empty set. That is the reason. Okay, so ये definition थी अपनी कौन सी, empty set. Now the next definition is finite and infinite set. Okay, so first definition is finite set. A set whose elements are countable, such set is called a finite set. जो सेट के एलिमेंट कैसे रहेंगे, काउंटेबल रहेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल a is equal to 1 2 3 up to 500, we can count. Okay, so this is finite set. Set b is equal to a e I o u. We can count the elements of that set b, and therefore set b is a finite set. Okay, and infinite set, definition of infinite set. Infinite set, the set whose elements are uncountable. Set of natural numbers n is equal to 1 2 3 up to last number we can't say, last natural number we can't say, and therefore set n is a natural, is infinite set, is an infinite set. So here few examples, few sets are given, and we have to decide, or we have to write with reason. Total 7 examples are given in this question number 4 from practice set 1.2. Write with reason which of the following sets are finite or infinite. 3 examples I will show, remaining examples you have to write. A is equal to, A is the set of element x such that x is less than 10. X is less than 10 and x is a natural number. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. Okay, so here you have to write A, the elements in the set A which are less than 10, and x is a natural number. So we have to find the natural number which are less than 10. So those numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So we can count these numbers, we can count these elements, and therefore here the elements, we write the reason like this: the elements in the set A are countable, therefore A is finite. A is finite set. Okay, set number 2, B is the set of element y, where y is less than minus 1, y is less than minus 1, and y is an integer. Y is an integer. So we have to find the integers which are less than minus 1. So those integers are minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. All these integers are less than minus 1. Minus 1 से ये सब छोटे numbers. Okay, and last integer we can't say, and therefore here the elements in the set B is uncountable, therefore B is infinite set. B is infinite set. Okay, now next example. So here C is the set of students of class 9 from your school. क्या करना है, आपको सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट का सेट लेना है, किसके, फ्रॉम 9th क्लास के स्टूडेंट का सेट फ्रॉम योर स्कूल, अपनी स्कूल के 9th क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, 30 40 50, we can count. Okay, so here the elements in the set C is countable, we can countable, and therefore C is finite. C क्या रहेगा, finite रहेगा. Number 4, set of people from your village. Set of people from your village. विलेज के जो people रहेंगे, हमारे जितने भी लोग रहते रहेंगे, we can count. Okay, and therefore this is finite set. This is finite set. So in this way we have to recognize, okay, whether the given set is finite or infinite. Okay, so in this way in today's video we have studied the types of sets. Total 5 types we have studied, 5 or 6. First is equal set, second singleton set, third one is empty set, then finite set and infinite set. 5 types we have studied. Okay, definition is not important, only understanding is important. Okay, उसके example जो है तुम्हारे को exam के अंदर पूछे जा सकते हैं. Okay, so remember these definitions and just try to solve this practice set 1.2 विदाउट एनी हेल्प। इसको पहले एक वीडियो को एक मरतबा देखो आप लोग, और उसके बाद में खुद से जो है क्या करो, प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.2 सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो। ओके, थैंक यू।